Is your healthy lifestyle making you old? 5 mistakes to avoid. Part 1. The cardio trap when excessive exercise backfires. Many of us believe that more is always better when it comes to exercise. We hit the pavement for hours or join high-intensity interval training height classes 6 days a week. However, the Mayo Clinic warns that excessive endurance exercise can actually lead to overtraining syndrome, which accelerates biological aging. When you overexercise without adequate recovery, your body remains in a state of chronic inflammation. This elevates cortisol, the stress hormone. High cortisol levels break down collagen in your skin, leading to premature wrinkles and a haggard look, often referred to as gym face. Furthermore, extreme cardio can lead to oxidative stress. While moderate exercise helps your body fight free radicals, overdoing it overwhelms your antioxidant defenses, damaging your DNA. Part 2. The clean eating paradox. Nutritional deficiencies. Clean eating sounds perfect, but it often leads to restrictive dieting. Many people cut out entire food groups like fats or grains in the name of health. According to Harvard Health, extreme restriction can starve your cells of the very nutrients they need to repair themselves. One major mistake is the low-fat obsession. Your brain is 60% fat, and your cell membranes require healthy fats omega-3 cells to remain supple. Without them, your skin becomes dry, and your cognitive function declines faster. Another issue is orthorexia, an unhealthy obsession with eating only pure foods, which leads to social isolation and chronic stress, both of which are major accelerators of cellular aging, telomere shortening. If your diet is so clean that it lacks vitamin B12 or vitamin D, you aren't just losing weight, you're losing years of vitality. Part 3. The sunscreen and vitamin D dilemma. We've been told for decades, stay out of the sun to avoid wrinkles. While UV rays certainly cause photoaging, avoiding the sun entirely can be just as aging. Healthline notes that vitamin D deficiency is a global epidemic, and it's linked to bone loss, weakened immunity, and even depression. Vitamin D is actually when you lack it, your bones become porous osteoporosis, causing your posture to slump. A stooped posture is one of the clearest visual markers of old age. Furthermore, vitamin D is essential for DNA repair. The mistake isn't using sunscreen. It's never allowing your skin to breathe in the morning light. Lack of natural light also disrupts your circadian rhythm, leading to poor sleep, which is the ultimate aging factor. Part 4. The Biohacker Stress Supplement Overload. In the quest for eternal youth, many people turn to an endless array of supplements: resveratrol, NMN, ashwagandha, and dozens more. While some have benefits, taking too many can overwhelm your liver and kidneys, the very organs responsible for detoxifying your body and keeping you young. As highlighted by WebMD and other US health sites, supplements are not regulated as strictly as drugs. Taking anti-aging pills in high doses can sometimes interfere with the body's natural signaling. For example, taking high doses of antioxidants immediately after a workout can actually block the muscle-building benefits of that exercise. Your body has an amazing internal repair system called autophagy. Sometimes, by constantly feeding it supplements, you prevent the body from doing its own cleaning. Part 5. The hustle for health, sleep, and social stress. The final mistake is the most silent killer: stressing about being healthy. If you are staying up late to meal prep or waking up at 4 a.m. while exhausted to hit the gym, you are doing more harm than good. Sleep is the only time your brain flushes out toxins, the glymphatic system. Missing just 2 hours of sleep can make your skin look several years older the next day by increasing inflammatory markers. Additionally, many health junkies skip social gatherings because the food isn't on plan. However, the Blue Zone's research, often cited on US health sites, shows that social connection is the #1 predictor of longevity. Longevity isn't just about what you eat, it's about who you eat with. Chronic loneliness ages the body faster than smoking 15 cigarettes a day. If this video helped you look at your health routine in a new light, please hit that like button. It helps the YouTube algorithms show this video to others who might be overworking themselves into premature aging. And if you want more science-backed deep dives into wellness, make sure to subscribe and turn on those notifications.